Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very beautiful episode for you guys, and we have again a lots of toys for you. These are the fun toys. These are the cars, the jeep, the vehicle, construction machine, your favorite wild animals, sea animals, and we have a lots of gadgets. So it's time to collect all the things and let's move to washing area. So let's collect things one by one. Here we go. That's the TT pistols along with a 10 mm. I have a tractor in my hand. That's the turtle. And we have a lots of things to collect and have fun, guys. That's the small pistol, and that is the surprise mask, and that's the satellite phone, I guess. Some animals, that's a tank for sure, and that's your favorite Avengers series character as well. And we will adding more and more fun things for you. So we have already collected all the things, and now we are moved to washing area. We are ready, guys. Water is good, summer is on, and that's the first object, and that's a tank. Let's start washing. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a tank. Here we go. Let's check out the next one, and we have a mask. Let's start washing. Here we go. Wash. Here we go. We have a Hulk. The green is back. Here we go.
Hulk cold!
And the next one we have a construction machine. Let's wash it. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a front loader. That's a construction machine. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a horse. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. That's a zebra. Wow, the zebra and horse are basically the common body features. And the next one we have a pocket revolver. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have a 30 mm TT pistol. Wow. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have some jeep. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a 4x4 Jeep. Wow, that's a fun thing to drive. 4x4 Jeep. Here we go. And the next one we have again a mask. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. Here we go. That's a Spiderman mask. Wow, that's my favorite character, Spiderman. And the next one we have a Jeep. Wow, let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a 4x4 Jeep. Wow, that's awesome Jeep. And the next one we have a crab. Let's wash him. Crab is a sea animal. Here we go. We have a crab. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a satellite phone. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a satellite phone.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So standard stuff, 16 channels can be programmed onto here, fixed antenna.
In the next one we have, I'm sure this will be a dog. Dog is a pet animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Dog. Lovely pet animal. Enjoy the video. And the next we have is a turtle. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Turtle.
I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny Tim.
Let's check out the next one. In the next one we have a small pocket pistol. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a small 10mm pistol.
And that should be it.
Let's check out the next one. In the next one, we have a small machine. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a beautiful tractor that's used for farming. Wow. In the next one, we have again a gun. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla. Here we go. We have a 30mm TT pistol. That's awesome. Here we go. In the next one, we have again a construction machine. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Hydraulic hammer. Wow, that's an awesome machine.
This is the machine you'll want to call. See how easy it is to break the street to pieces with a truck as strong as this one is.
In the next one, we have a character. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Thor. We have Avengers series, your favorite character, Thor.
The elevator seems to have been damaged in the attack. Applying some force should break it.
And the next one, we have the world's tallest animal, giraffe. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Giraffe is back, the tallest animal in the world. And the next one, that's a starfish, a sea animal. Let's watch him. Let's watch. And here we go. Starfish. Let's check out the next one. And the next one, we have a sports bike. Let's watch him. Here we go. Sports bike. Wow. So this is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye.